2012 Mazda 2, and it's a 1.5. This one is a category S from the insurance company. The actual damage is around the corner, but I'll show you this side first. It is actually a 12 plate, but someone's had a private plate that says Lee on it, so I'm guessing that was the guy's name. So we've got no damage around here, or the side, half decent tyres on it, and the top, or the back, couple of dings, they'll be removed, no damage there at all, or the back quarter, which is all good, but it's had a bump on this part here, the wing and the door. There's no structural damage to the wheel, it's all in the right place, it all aligns nicely as well, but this needs to be changed and this needs to be changed here. And the good news is there's no damage down the side there, only to the door. The pillar is fine all the way down here as well. Needs a good old clean with it. We've taken the door card out there because the glass was down, so the window mech has been broken, but it all shuts lovely there, so nothing is actually bent anywhere else. But these aren't going to be repaired, they're going to be replaced. I've got another door there in the same colour and another wing in the same colour, so pretty much when they're bolted on, this car will be back to pretty much exactly as it was before. This one, I'm guessing, should retail sort of 50,000 miles. It's got a bit of Mazda service history. 2012 car is pretty new. I think it should be 3,995. I think a decent price for this will be £3 grand, and it makes someone a very good car for a little bit of a fix.